Terrestrial. It means relating to the earth, belonging to the land, not to the sea or air. Terrestrial plants or animals, they live or grow on the ground. This would also mean similar to earth. For instance, some scientists are searching for terrestrial planets, means planets similar to the earth. Terrestrial is often used to mean mundane or boring. For instance, a good teacher can make even the most terrestrial concepts interesting. This word has come from Latin terrestris, from terra means the earth. You might find it interesting to know that in French the word for a potato is pomme de terre, something that grows in the ground or land. It may be easy for you to remember this word if you know the very commonly used word terrain, an area of land, for example a rough terrain. There are some terrestrial televisions or channels that operate on the earth. They use radio waves, not satellites. By the way, I'm sure you've heard of aliens, extraterrestrial beings from outside the planet Earth. Well, I'm your friend Dharmendra Sheth, founder Fluentlingua Surat. Thank you very much.